Right, this is our Burgundy Bookbinder. Lovely high shine. They come into our room on the last. They get burnished on the last to give that nice high shine. All we do for these is polish. Don't use no renovator because it will strip the shine straight out, and that means you'll have no shiny shoes. So we'll take the polish. I'm using Burgundy polish with a sponge. Just wipe over your shoe. After every 3 or 4 wears, just apply a little bit of polish, and then get your white rag, or whatever colour rag, whatever you've got in the house, and polish them up to make them look beautiful. Every time you do these, they'll look spectacular. Your edges, they may vary in the weather. Just get your cloth, just a little bit of brown polish because you've got a brown welt. You could use neutral. Put the sheen back into it again. So your edge matches your gorgeous upper.